Hello. Today, class 12, we are going to deal with the writing skills section of CBSE class 12 English board paper includes short and long compositions. The short composition is of 4 marks. They are notice, poster, advertisement, invitation and reply. Today we will start from notice writing, which is 4 marks. We will come to know the details about its formats and other special features for writing a notice correctly. Okay? So, now let us start with the writing portion. Okay? You can see the slides. The first one, which deals with the writing portion, and you can see that notice is a formal means of communication. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information or a particular group of people. Notices are generally meant to be put up on special display boards, whether in schools or in public places. Notices issued by the government appear in newspapers. Now, the main part of the notice we will come to now discuss each and every main part of the notice. Now, we already know that there are different types of notices in class 12. We will deal with the each notice one by one, okay, with the simplest one first. So now, as I was telling you, that notices are short form of announcement. Now, notices where it is used: schools, organizations, government boards. Okay, on the boards it is written so that everybody can see. Why it is used? To inform people about various events, issue and public instructions. Important points that are to be followed. Use the word notice followed by the name of the organization, institution. Write the date on the left hand side. Example, suppose we write 18th July 2020. Give a suitable heading to the notice. Content should contain the following event: date, place, time. Conclude the notice with name, signature and post designation. Write it in a box and follow the word limit, that is 50 words. Okay? Now, let us come to the next slide. The main characters of the notice. The format. Format is very important. Must include the word notice, date, heading, writer's name and post. That is, the word notice should be in capital letters. Content answers the question what, when, where and how, etc. Expression relates to the, you can say the expression relates to the overall organization and relevance of the content besides grammatical accuracy and fluency. The marking scheme: format 1 mark, content 2 marks and expression 1 mark. Now, one sample notice is given. You can see, you are Mohit, Mita, head boy or girl of Delhi Public School, Lucknow. Your school is celebrating the World Environment Day on 5th June 2020. Draft a notice informing the students to bring 2 saplings from each class. Invent necessary details. Do not exceed 50 words. Let us see how it comes. Now look at this format. Delhi Public School, Lucknow. It is written in capital letters. This is the name of the issuing agency. Then the word notice in capital letters. Now you see left side, 18th May 2016 or whatever, 2020. Any word it can be written. It's just for example. So I have written something. Then you come to the subject. Celebration of World Environment Day. That has to be in capital letters. You remember? It should be in capital letters. Now, very, very simple way. Students are informed that what is going to happen? World Environment Day will be observed on 5th June and 2020 in the school premises. Each class is instructed to bring at least 2 saplings. For more information, contact the undersigned, Mohit, head boy, or anything you can write. As in the question, name of the issuing authority, Mohit, and designation is head boy. So we have come to know how it is to be written. Now let us come to know another thing. Now, notices for practice. Some of the notices I have given you for practice. You are Amita Anil, the physical instructor of St. Mary's Convent, Bhopal. You have organized an excursion to Kathmandu, Nepal during the autumn break for the senior students of your school. Write a notice in about 50 words informing the students about the proposed excursion. I have already told you the value points before writing this notice. You are Babita Biman, the secretary of the history club of your school. Draft a notice in not more than 50 words informing the students of class 9 and 10 about a proposed excursion to historical places of your city. The value points. Name of the school. For example, any example, St. Mary's Convent School, Bhopal, or anything. Event, excursion to Kathmandu, date, cost of trip, last date for submission, name Amita Anil, post, physical instructor, anything it can be written. These are the value points. Okay. Now, I have made a very short video. I hope all of you like it. Thanks once again for watching it.